Hi, I'm in Kilkeel High School and I'm here with the lovely Beverly, who is the head of the Learning Support Centre. And we're here to show you the lovely sensory space that we have created. So as I've shown you earlier, there's a lot of beautiful elements within the sensory room. So Beverly, tell me, how are you finding the sensory space?
Oh, it's absolutely wonderful. It's been a great asset to our school and certainly to the provision that we offer in the Learning Support Centre. The children just love it. It's the first thing that has made the children feel special in our school, because sometimes the kind of students that we work with are overlooked, or they kind of feel that they don't have a place that's theirs, but this has become their safe space and the place that they really enjoy coming to. We use it very regularly. We use it, it's used every day. It's used sometimes with small class groups, sometimes just with individual students, just depending on the level of need. But every single aspect of it has been really helpful to the children.
Brilliant. And so how long have you had it now?
Really, it took a long time in the making, but really it just came together after Easter time last year. So we found it particularly effective coming up to the exam period, when some of our students, particularly the senior students, were becoming quite anxious about the forthcoming exams. It was a place that they could come and just chill, and it really helped sort of get them ready for the exams. We had one student who liked to come in after he completed every exam, just to sort of almost calm himself down before he went home, and before he maybe went on to the next exam, after if it was one sort of in the morning and then the afternoon session. So during the exam times, it was a lovely space. The children particularly would have used the wee mindfulness apps on the screen and listened to music. We've one student who loves the lavender, the diffuser, and the nice sort of relaxing scent that she gets when she sits in here.
Lovely. Oh, that's brilliant. And that's what it's all about, is about making that positive impact, and it's great to hear that that's what it's doing.
It definitely has.
Yeah.
Right?
Well, that's all come down to yourself and Jacqueline coming up with ideas of what will work in this room. So well done for everything that you
said. We wanted to be a senior sensory room, because we didn't want the students to feel that they were being patronised or babied in any way, that it was a space for older people to come to, not just for young students.
Brilliant. And how have you found working with Learning Space?
I think you know that, Laurie. Absolutely fantastic.
I
couldn't recommend Learning Space enough. From day one, Laurie has been down and drawing designs for us and listening to what Jackie and I what we wanted for our students and what we wanted for our school, and went away and had ideas, and then was back and forward with text messages and emails with different ideas that you'd had for us, and that support goes on right through. And then whenever the installation actually goes to happen, then it's Shane and John who come, and they are very, very mindful of the students and what their needs are and what the level of noise that the children can tolerate. And they were so thoughtful in the whole installation process, and in leaving the room perfect every single day, and checking that we were happy, and that that our principal was happy with everything.
So I'm glad you've got like an amazing room, and thank you for letting Learning Space come down. I know it did take a bit longer with we're waiting for things for the EA to put the floors in and everything, but I think it was worth the wait. Well, thank you for everything, and I hope this room brings a lot of happiness to your children.
It already has.
Yeah, as you know, we'll be in touch, and we'll be here for the rest of the journey as well.
Thank
all right.
You. Thank you.
All the best. Thank you.